Warning: this video contains secret knowledge that only very successful traders possess. We are all aware of how much your psychology and mindset play a role in trading. Winning traders possess a set of beliefs that enable them to stay calm, even in turbulent markets, and take calculated risks when opportunities arise. What separates successful traders from the rest of the pack is that they possess an entirely different belief system than what an average trader has. Winning traders have a set of powerful beliefs that enable them to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Here are 3 of the most powerful beliefs that make it impossible for winning traders to lose. Keep watching until the very end, because this video can be your biggest step towards mastering your trading psychology. Belief number 1: emotions are your ally, not your enemy. Many traders see emotions as an obstacle to their trading success, because they are always in conflict with themselves and their emotions. However, winning traders understand that emotions can be a powerful ally when harnessed correctly. Fear can help you in preventing reckless decision-making, while excitement can be used to identify opportunities for profit. By embracing their emotions and using them to their advantage, winning traders are able to stay grounded and make informed decisions. This marks a huge development in your trading psychology, because now you're not trying to run away or suppress your emotions. You view them as your ally, and try to observe and understand them. A good example of this would be, when we're trading well within our risk capacity, using proper risk management, we don't feel scared or anxious about any outcome, be it profit or loss. But the situation changes upside down, when we trade beyond our means, deploying a huge part of our capital on a single trade, throwing risk management down the drain. As a legendary trader, Bruce Kovner said, "Emotions are not the enemy, but rather a useful tool to be harnessed for profitable trading." Belief number 2: focus on what you can control. Trading is an inside job. It's not about the markets, it's about the trader. Mark Douglas. Winning traders focus on things that they can control, such as their trading plan, using proper risk management, and their discipline. They know that because markets are unpredictable, the outcomes of their trades are also unpredictable, and not in their control. But they can control their own actions and reactions. They don't waste time and energy worrying about things they cannot control, such as the direction of the market or the opinions of others. Winning traders realize that they cannot control external factors that affect the market, such as market behavior and sentiment. They cannot control the actions of other traders, institutions, or governments, which directly affects the market movement. Hence, they understand that the outcomes of their trades is not in their control, but their reaction to outcome is. They choose to learn from their losses and mistakes, and try to mitigate them next time. As Mark Douglas, author of Trading in the Zone, said, the quality of your trading is directly related to the quality of the decisions you make. The quality of your decisions is vastly influenced by the quality of your thinking about trading. Recognizing that trading is an inside job that requires you to stay focused on the things that you can control and continuously learn and adapt, you significantly increase the odds of your success in this game. Winning traders acknowledge that paying excessive attention to outcomes can have a negative impact on their achievements. They focus on the process, on things they can control. Always remember this. Focus on the process, not outcomes. If you get the process right, outcomes take care of themselves. Before we move on to the last belief, please support this channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Belief number 3: money will come as long as I stay disciplined and follow my plan. Before we get into this, let's briefly discuss what exactly is a trading plan. A trading plan is a comprehensive framework that outlines a trader's trading goals, risk tolerance, strategies, entry and exit points, position sizing, and other important factors that influence their decision-making process. It is like blueprint for your trading. Winning traders have a well-defined trading plan and stick to it, even when the markets are volatile. They understand that trading is a long-term game, and that consistency is key. They don't chase after quick profits or try to predict the future. Instead, they focus on their process and trust that money will come as long as they stay disciplined and focused. Successful traders know that money is a byproduct of their disciplined approach to trading. They understand that process is far more important. If I get the process right, the outcomes will take care of themselves. As a legendary trader said, "The most important thing in trading is capital preservation. I don't worry about making money. If you're a good trader, money will come." Paul Tudor Jones. These are the 3 beliefs that winning traders possess, which makes it impossible for them to lose. They know that the trading is an inside job, emotions can be harnessed to their advantage, and money is a byproduct of discipline and focus. Adopting these beliefs make you a master of your trading psychology and accelerate your trading journey towards success. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.